Defense Central is currently on the ground at this year's Dubai Airshow, the Middle East's largest aerospace and defense event, bringing together commercial aviation, military and defense players, and emerging tech innovators from around the world. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the overall scale of the show, walk through some of the key pavilions, and highlight early day one updates. Let's dive in. The Dubai Airshow 2025 opened under clear skies and intense heat, with crowds streaming across the sun-soaked tarmac from the moment the gates opened. By midday, the halls were packed, chalets buzzing with meetings, and visitors squeezed into any patch of shade they could find before the afternoon flying displays began. Boasting a lineup of more than 1,500 exhibitors, including around 440 first-time participants, this year's edition of the Airshow opened as the largest in the event's history. Organizers expect around 148,000 trade visitors over the week, and more than 490 official military and civil delegations from 115 countries spread across 21 national pavilions. On the tarmac and in the air, over 200 commercial, military, and special mission aircraft are taking part in flying and static displays, ranging from wide-body airliners and advanced fighters to helicopters, ISR platforms, and unmanned aerial vehicles. Beyond the flight line, this year's show puts major emphasis on conferences and specialized zones, featuring its largest program, yet with over 450 speakers across 4 stages and 12 tracks, from advanced air mobility and MRO to cybersecurity, workforce challenges, passenger experience, and sustainability. The Space Pavilion has also expanded into the Airshow's biggest space showcase to date, organized with the UAE Space Agency and centered on a 2-day conference with more than 50 experts, astronauts, and industry leaders discussing responsible space activity and future exploration. Other dedicated areas highlight advanced air mobility, sustainability initiatives, and startup hubs, connecting new innovators with investors and major primes. Day one numbers are still being tallied, but early signs point to strong turnout across both the halls and the tarmac, supporting expectations that this could be the show's busiest edition yet. Day one's flying program kicked off in the afternoon with a UAE Air Force formation flypast. This was followed by a sharp, close formation routine from Fursan Al Emirat, UAE's national aerobatic team, now flying their newly adopted Hongdu L-15 advanced jet trainers. A standout moment came when Joby Aviation performed the Airshow's first ever eVTOL demonstration, showcasing climbs, banks, and a steady hover that let the crowd see the aircraft's real-world performance up close. The schedule then shifted to major military and commercial highlights, including flypasts by a US B-52 and F-35, and a rare overseas display of Russia's Su-57. On the commercial side, the Boeing 777X and other key aircraft rounded out a program that brought together legacy air power, 5th-generation fighters, and next-generation platforms on one stage. Beyond the runway, Day one delivered the first round of commercial announcements and defense deals. The Tawazun Council revealed 8 agreements for the UAE Ministry of Defense worth 3.77 billion Emirati dirhams, most of it awarded to local companies. The biggest military highlight was a contract with Embraer for Praetor 600 VIP configured jets for the UAE Armed Forces, the Airshow's first confirmed military aircraft deal, valued at about $58 million, alongside several support and services agreements with UAE firms. Local industry is also using the Airshow to signal where it's heading next. Edge Group, in particular, has a major footprint across the halls and on the static line. On day one alone, the company rolled out 42 new products, everything from autonomous systems and smart weapons to propulsion tech, space capabilities, radars, and secure communications. For the UAE, this isn't just headline-making innovation. It's part of a long-term shift from being a defense importer to becoming an exporter with its own advanced platforms and technologies. We'll dive deeper into the UAE's role tomorrow, with a full breakdown of Edge and the wider Emirati defense ecosystem, and what this latest wave of products reveals about where the country aims to be in the coming decade. If you want to follow that and the rest of our on-site coverage, be sure to subscribe. There's plenty more coming from the Dubai Airshow 2025.